So this is stage 3 of the homemade DIY effective microbes experiment grow out. So stage 1 was rice water, let it ferment for about a week. Then to that I added milk, let that ferment for about 4 days. That was the previous video. So this is stage 3, and to that fermented rice water and milk, which where most of the lactobacillus supposedly came from, I added molasses. Now this was actually sorghum molasses. I haven't seen a whole lot of people talk specifically about what kind of molasses they use, but this was sorghum molasses, and it's been going for about 4 days. Had it in a quart jar, had a paper towel over the top with a ring holding it in place, and then just a regular lid laying on top to try to keep too much oxygen from getting in and stuff like that, but allowing it to off gas if it fermented. So we started there at 400 magnification. I'm just kind of checking some epifluorescence here. I think we may actually be at 600 here. And I'm just trying to get a record and get a feel for what it looks like at each stage. The suggestion has been made from some of my microscopy friends that I should be adding yeast, and anything from bread yeast, beer yeast, whatever kind of yeast, and also some Purple Non-sulfur Bacteria, PNSB. The reason I haven't done that so far is I'm trying to learn what happens at each stage with each addition. So now that I've got this, I'll probably let it go for a few more days, and then I may split some of this off and then put some yeast with it. And I have ordered some Purple Non-sulfur Bacteria. When it comes in, I'll look at it under a microscope just to see that there's something there and what it is, and then it's, for the most part, one thing and not a whole lot of different stuff. I mean, I don't want it just to be purple colored water when I actually look at it. But again, this is just stage 3, rice water, then milk, then a sugar source, in this case sorghum molasses, and we're at about 600 dry on the objective right now, or 60 dry, which makes it 600. And don't have a whole lot more to say. This is just a video record of what it looks like.